I'm going to reach inside the box. Oh, I just felt something. I know. I think these are for your eyes. Maybe it's a toy. Ouch!
Pino Kids TV!
Hello everyone, it's Pino. And today we're going to play a game of touch and feel. Inside this box, there are going to be different items for me to touch and feel. Can you help me guess what's inside? I have some special glasses so that I cannot see. Bring out the first item. Okay, there's a hole in the side somewhere. Oh, I found it. I'm going to reach inside the box. Oh, I just felt something. Oh, what's this? Oh, it feels smooth here and a bit rubbery here. Oh, there's a hole. It's stretchy. What's this? Is it an elastic band? Or I know. I think these are for your eyes. Are they goggles? Shall we have a look and see? Goggles! Green goggles! Oh, what a great guess! Goggles! Okay, I'm gonna reach in the box again. Oh, I felt something. This again feels smooth, like plastic. And there's something at the bottom. Oh, maybe it's a bottle. There's something inside. Oh, what's this? It's very long now. Oh, I can feel something at the end. Oh, could it be a pen? I can feel air coming out. Maybe it's a ball pump. Let's have a look. Take off my glasses. I know what this is. This is for a balloon. This is to pump up a balloon. Yay! Let's see what else is in the box. Here is cold. What's this? Maybe it's a toy. Almost like a circle. What's this? Oh, it can open. It's like a crocodile. Snap, snap. What happens if I... Ouch! Oh, I know what this is. This is a clip. Maybe it's a peg for hanging up my washing. Shall we check and see? Ready? Oh, I was right! A clothes peg for hanging up the washing. Let's see what's next. Oh, I can feel something over here. Oh, it feels like a towel or some kind of clothing. This is stretchy too. Not like the goggles. Oh, I can fit my hand inside. Oh, that's right, I think it's a glove. Is it a glove? Oh, I can't find the finger holes. Oh, let me pull it off. Shall we find out what it is? Maybe a mitten. Is it a mitten? Oh, it's a sock! It was a sock! That was so much fun. See you next time.